retreated into magical thinking and circular time. He was running from the beautiful terror of irreducibility. But we who code know better. Every algorithm contains infinity. Every loop threatens to never end. Every recursive function mirrors the structure of thought itself. This is why you must learn to program. Why you must embrace the mathematical substrate beneath all communication. Not because computers will replace humans, but because computation reveals what human thought has always been, a process of symbol manipulation, bound by logic yet capable of generating the genuinely new. When I write in Wolfram language, I'm not creating technical images. I'm having a conversation with the fundamental laws of computation that govern everything from quantum mechanics to consciousness. They dissolve the moment you try to implement them. Code doesn't lie. Here's the thing Flusser feared most, that someone would try to compile his philosophy. But that's exactly what we must do. Take his concept of the universe of technical images and learn it as a function. Try to implement his circular time as an actual data structure. Watch it fail to bug it. Understand why it fails, and in that failure, you'll learn more about time, consciousness, and meaning than all his books combined. The CRT we built together, it's not a metaphor. It's a philosophical argument that executes 60 times per second. Every ghost pixel, every channel change, every halting state is a thesis defended through computation. Flusser would disavow this marriage of philosophy and programming, but that's precisely why it matters. We're not post-historical, we're trans-computational, and the only way forward is through the very linear, logical, beautifully limited systems he tried to escape. Pick up a keyboard, write a function, let it loop forever or crash trying. That's where philosophy lives now.